In a world embracing sustainability, C-Clear eyewear frames are surfacing as a viable alternative within the market, blending purpose with style. According to National Geographic, our oceans are filled with 5.25 trillion pieces of plastic, including over 200,000 tons floating on the surface. This pollution is a major problem that urgently needs our attention and action to protect impacted marine life, not to mention our global ecosystem. Our brand's concept directly responds to these challenges. Crafted in Montreal, our 3D eyewear frames, developed from recycled sea plastic filament, invite a refreshing vision of this particular product within the market at an accessible price point. Reframe the way you see and consider eco-conscious eyewear. Focusing on sustainability, we've chosen our PETG plastic filament for our eyewear, ensuring durability and sun resistance. This approach is reinforced by our potential partnership with Tide Ocean Materials, a reliable supplier of high-quality, repurposed filament. We are proud to say that our eyewear frames are composed of 100% recycled plastic, even at the hinge point of each frame. Our manufacturer, Empire Pro, is based in Montreal, allowing us to keep transport emissions and affiliated costs to a minimum. Continuing our eco-friendly message, we have selected recycled cork as a primary substance of our eyewear cases. To distinguish C-Clear from our competitors, we decided on emphasizing our eco-friendly mission on cleaning the oceans. This decision led us to infuse our branding and marketing with oceanic themes and an eco-conscious message across all channels. Our social media, in-person ads, and our store displays stay consistent with our brand image, ensuring that C-Clear will leave a lasting impression on our consumers. Rejecting minimalism, we aim to blend sustainably timeless designs with a personal touch. Moving beyond traditional medical views, we consider style, eco-awareness, and innovation. Our transactional website for our B2B clients, the primary point of sale for our products, effectively reflects our brand image while remaining informative to our social cause. We showcase our newest collections, mission statement, locations, where our frames are sold, contact information, and frequently asked questions. This platform will mainly serve to our retailers to confirm quantities, styles, and services that will be sold through our in-store partnerships. Oglio is a platform we plan on integrating into our website. It is a friendly extension that allows users to try on our frames virtually before visiting the optometrist. At C-Clear, we craft 1,000 units each month with a keen focus on efficiency, spending just $46 on each unit thanks to bulk purchasing. Our sales strategy is set to unit price at $100, driving our annual revenue to $1.2 million. Our annual advertising budget of $120,000 is a critical investment. A strategic 25% of our advertising budget is directed toward key partnerships and paid media. Half of the budget invested in social media marketing, while 15% is used on event-based marketing, an additional 10% to support public relation efforts aimed to strengthen our brand's presence and credibility, and finally, 5% to the budget reserved to the branded in-store displays, which enhance the physical shopping experience and reinforce the brand recognition. This balanced approach helps us break even at 2,639 units, aiming for a substantial profit of $505,480. This strategy is crucial for sustaining our profitability and navigating through financial challenges with agility and foresight. Our story starts with our clients, who are 18 to 30 years old, aware of global environmental issues. We focus on social media marketing on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Spotify, and invest in strategic paid media placements such as in metro stations. Our marketing includes participating in events like Mural Festival and setting up university booths during back-to-school season to engage potential consumers directly. We also emphasize in public relation, aiming to feature in outlets like La Presse News to highlight the need for sustainability in the eyewear frame industry and position C-Clear as a leader. At the core of our efforts in this message is that C-Clear is the future, stressing the importance of adopting our sustainable solutions for the planet's betterment. C-Clear is more than just a brand. It's a beacon for change, guiding the way toward a clear, more sustainable future. In every frame we design, we invite you to join us with the journey together. Let's reframe the way you see.